Hi guys, today we want to make cinnamon buns. So here is the ingredient you will need to prepare. First is the milk. There are two types of milk. Milk with sugar and without sugar. My mom forgot, so she buy milk with sugar, so later we will put a little sugar more. Here is the sugar. Brown sugar.
Look.
And here is the cinnamon.
Cinnamon is so spicy to eat them.
Yes. This is salt.
That's white salt.
And this is the instant yeast.
Yeah.
It's help the cake blow up. And
this is butter.
And this is the flour. Remember, you use the 11 flour. This is egg. You only need to use one egg. Later we will show you. So we have one egg and one yolk. This is the butter.
Mine is your spoon, this is your fork, this is your teaspoon, this is your net, and this is your teacup.
Now we will start it to cook. First step, you must pour the milk into the measuring cup. The milk is 150 milliliters. Now I will put it on the pan and then I will warm the milk.
But this kitchen is a little bit different.
Second step is to break the egg and put in the bowl, a small bowl to stir it.
It's almost eggy. Wow! This mashing is from egg. And now let's stir them.
Yes.
Let's put the duck egg.
The third step is to pour the egg. We just mix it and then put in the milk.
And then let's stir them.
And then we will pour a half teaspoon of salt.
In this small spoon. And now let's stir it again to do.
And 1 spoon of yeast.
1 spoon of small yeast. But this is a little bit messy because look, but we have to stir them. Hang on, quickly. I want to look at us.
Yes. Like this. And pour in here.
Cook them. And 1 spoon of sugar.
mix well. This is 400 grams of flour. After we mix well with the egg, we will make a hole and pour this and mix well together.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, now let's pour.
Yeah, let's pour them together. Yeah, it looks like a ballad.
And then we will use our hands to make it. After mix well, we will have a dough. And then we will take a small bowl and put this inside. You will cover this bowl with a plastic wrap.
This plastic wrap. And this plastic wrap is easy, everyone. But this is not easy a little bit. We have to put all and cut them. And put the fat out and put in the cellophane like that.
You must wait 1 hour or 1 hour and a half to wait for it to rise up the double size of it. Now we will mix the sugar and cinnamon together. The sugar is equal 1/4 cup, so I guess it's about 3 spoons like this. Let's put it inside.
Cinnamon is a little bit spicy, everyone.
Yes.
Don't put it in.
If you put many cinnamon in here, it will make spicy. So you just use 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Cinnamon powder.
1 cinnamon and 2 cinnamon.
Now let's mix together.
Now let's mix them. Wow, it's changing.
Okay.
And then this is a brown sugar now.
Look, my dough, when it's right up, is double size of it. Now we will put in, and I will spread off it into a rectangle by using this.
Yeah, that's accidentally. Yay! It's did it then.
See,
And then
now
we
we
have
have a
it all.
flat face. Remember, don't put the dough in one place too much, but spread it out. Now you will use 2 spoons of tablespoon of butter.
What's happened with the butter? I did it. I did the butter. Now I'll spread it. Let's not go around it. Okay then. Oh no, it's like on my hand.
After spreading all the butter to all the flour pound, we will use the cinnamon powder and the sugar we just made. We will sprinkle. After sprinkle the sugar mixed with cinnamon, it will look like this. This is a nut I want to make for me. Just an example. Now we will roll the cinnamon. We will roll this.
Yeah, but because it's
You
so
must roll it tightly or the cinnamon with sugar and nuts will pull out. After you roll it, it will look like this. And now I will use a line to cut it into small pieces or divide.
You see, it's got one piece. And one piece for everyone. Two.
After cook in 20 minutes with a degree 300 Fahrenheit, this is the result. Let's taste it.
Yeah. Long.
Yes, it's yummy. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
And click on the bell or click on YouTube. See you.